Open house May 4, 2 to 3:30. Discover 13,601 Lady Jessica Isle. This lovely Harper Creek split ranch is ideally located in a quiet cul-de-sac close to all conveniences. Surrounded by mature trees and pristine landscaping, this meticulously maintained 4-bed, 3-bath home boasts nearly 2,000 square feet on the main level. The spacious primary suite features deck access, a double-sided fireplace, updated ensuite with soaking tub and low-threshold shower. An open concept offers a great room with cathedral ceilings, formal dining and eat-in kitchen. The lower level includes an airy recreation area, workout room with large storage closet, the 4th bedroom with outdoor access, a full bath and laundry room. Updates include a new septic system, spring 2024.